Alright, good day friends. In this video I'll be showing you what you need to know about the Azcoiner. So this is the white paper of Azcoiner. It says that Azcoiner is a promising blockchain project created to provide a decentralized, secure and efficient platform for users worldwide. So this Azcoiner is proposed to be an exchange to the world, and you know that exchange coins are very important. Those people that mine the BNB will give you a good explanation of what exchange coins are. So this is an example of exchange coin, and it's going to make a lot of sense. So key features of Azcoiner: advanced encryption technology. Azcoiner uses the most advanced encryption algorithms to protect user data and ensure transaction. Okay, all right, this is a bit of the white paper. So let us go to the inside the dashboard to see what is there and how to mine. Okay, so this is the the interface of the Azcoiner. So all right, we're at home now. I think this is the white paper. Down here is the white paper and all that you need to read about it. Okay, this is the news on all right, let's click on the next one. To see what is there. All right, this one is for community. This one is for the next one. Let's click on the next one. Okay, all right, this one is the market, and then the last one is the wallet. Okay, so the last one here is the wallet. So by the way, you can see this particular coin XRP Ripple, it has gained so much momentum in the last 24 hours. It has, from the news, it has finally won its lawsuit against the SEC. So I guess from now we'll see a breakthrough. All right, so let us see how to mine the Azcoiner. What we are going to do is to click on this connect. We're going to click on this connect here. All right, click on it and it will start mining. You click on it, it will start mining immediately. I said your node will be connected with other nodes. Let your friend know you are active. Okay, I said just all right. Let me click on start and notify. All right, so it will start mining immediately.
Attention single men, there is a social app made just for you. Sign up in just a few minutes, and you can see profiles of high-quality single girls near you. They will contact you first and treat you like a precious baby.
All right, sorry for that. That is a in-app advertisement. All right, so I've just clicked on connect, and you can see that it has started mining. When it starts mining, you see your balance here, and then you can see your team. So that's how to mine the Azcoiner. Shortly, I think there will be a part for KYC, but they have not given us that. So for now, this is how to connect and mine your Azcoiner. Thank you so much.